I and many other gamers out there understand how difficult it is to find out a perfect keyboard for you. Even if you are not just looking for a gaming keyboard and are hunting for one to work on too, it can be difficult to find out one that has the exact feel that is your perfect idea of comfort. In this Kemove keyboard review, you will find a fantastic little keyboard that you can get for the fraction of cost you would normally get for the higher end keyboards. If you purchase a keyboard that is not suited to your preferences, then you may find your typing and gaming experience to be a lot more clunky and uncomfortable than it needs to be. This is why a mechanical keyboard such as Kemove Shadow 60% mechanical gaming keyboard might be more of your style with extra customizability to achieve your perfect setup. Let's get into why this mechanical keyboard may be the one for you. While I was unboxing the keyboard, I was actually expecting more detailed box. Unlike many other manufacturers like Bloody or Razer who focuses on appearances of their boxes as well, I found that Kemove doesn't really go far on this road. I like that foam encasing surrounded every part of the keyboard, ensuring a tight fit likely reduces any potential risk for damage. And here are the box contents. You get a Shadow keyboard with its pull key tool, a pull key switch tool, and removable L-shape Type-C cable, a user manual, and additional different color switches as well. The only thing out of the ordinary with the accessories is that the additional color switches. Though most may find this useless, it could be interesting to have as a beginner who hasn't had the chance to use other switch types. Talking about the design, Kemove Shadow has a compact design and it has only 61 keys, which is slightly smaller than a tanky-less form factor. As for the setting point of view, the designers of Shadow remember to give it proper feet. The whole keyboard basically lies on your table with a little angle that is adjustable and doesn't hurt your wrists. To summarize, here are some major highlights of its design. It has a compact 61 key layout with an ergonomic design. It's clean and sleek with adjustable height. Also, while this setting makes Kemove Shadow a perfect choice for fast typing, the material of Kemove Shadow feels considerably better and premium to touch. The keys of this keyboard are made of premium double-shot PBS materials, which means that they will not smudge even in the long run. You can purchase this keyboard with a number of different switches including red, blue, black, and Gateron brown switches. This means that you can pick a keyboard variant that has the exact feel that you want. Also, changing of the keys isn't even a big task. With the tools provided in the box, you guys can simply interchange between keys provided within the box. The only drawback I found about this keyboard was that it weighs about 645 grams, which I believe is pretty heavy to be portable. For connection, luckily the keyboard supports both wired and wireless connection modes. The wired mode has its own perk, where you get zero latency, faster response, anti-ghosting, USB-C 3.0, whereas the wireless mode doesn't even lag a bit, as it uses Bluetooth 5.1 as its backbone. Shadow performs greatly in competitive gaming environments while you are using the wireless mode. The latencies and response rates are usually around 2 to 3 milliseconds in the competitive environment, which I guess is just amazing. You won't see a difference until you start using the given wired mode. The best part of this keyboard is that you can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices, and it also has a cute little switch that can switch your keyboard from Windows to Mac in just a blink. Since we're talking about a wireless keyboard, Kemove has included a 3000 mAh built-in battery in Shadow, which is just a standard lithium battery. And like all lithium batteries, you can expect this one to have a degraded performance over time. However, with wireless mode, the battery can last for 2 days of normal usage very easily. But if you're gaming, it falls down to 10 to 13 hours, which is just enough. But hey, don't forget, you still have the wired option available with the keyboard. As far as waterproofing is concerned, the keyboard comes with an official IPX4 water resistance rating. This means that the circuitry inside the keyboard can handle normal spills pretty well. So for all those coffee lovers, you don't have to worry about spilling your tea, coffee or water on this keyboard. Now let's come to the most interesting part of this keyboard, lights. The one thing I like most about this particular keyboard is its RGB lighting system. These lights are aesthetically good looking, and even the simplest of RGB settings turns out pretty well. The Kemove Shadow 60% keyboard comes with full RGB lighting with 7 color options for static mode as well as 8 different settings such as ripple, wave, breathing, rainbow and more. These modes can also be changed just through keyboard settings, so you can shift between RGB settings with ease. This is the feature that most of the gamers will love. Additionally, the keycaps allow ample of light to pass through, which makes it even more attractive when breathing or stimulated light effects are used. So what is my final verdict? It's about the budget. This keyboard is very good for typing as well as for gaming, I'll give it that. And finally, I'd say that if $100 is really your budget, and you're looking for a good hardware, you should definitely buy Kemove Shadow. It's a much decorated peripheral for gaming and has some flagship aspect that make it more of a budget choice for many people. Special optical switches and the set of features Shadow offers you makes it a good choice single-handedly. You can find Shadow on Amazon for a competitive price and check out all the different layout options and pricing as well. Let me know what you thought about this keyboard or how well it performed for you in the comments below. I'll be waiting for your replies and your responses. We'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching BareFox and peace out.